Bienvenidos. Today on Dr. Doug's Quick Spanish, we're going to be looking at demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. This can be a little bit tricky for non-native speakers, right? So this is talking about this, that, and that. We're going to get into the difference between the two that's first, right? So let's say we have a cat, gato, right? And we want to say, that's a weird color. Let's go with blue. That will work a little bit better. Gato. We want to say this cat. Well, we know we're going to have to use one of these. So first we have to ask ourselves, is this masculine or feminine, singular or plural? So we know it's masculine and we know it's singular. So we're going to go with that form, which is este. Este gato. Or if we want to say that cat, ese gato. Easy, right? What about if we have niñas? We want to say these girls. Well, we know it's going to be this form, right? So we're going to ask if it's masculine or feminine. We know it's feminine. Is it singular or plural? We know it's plural, so we're going to go with estas. Estas niñas. Those girls, esas niñas. So what's the difference between that and that, the esa form and the aquella form? Well, I always explain it to my students, and maybe this isn't 100% correct, but it will help you visualize it. These forms down here, view them as something, think of them as something that's really far away that you can't necessarily see. For example, if I'm talking about that pen and I'm pointing to it and it's across the room and everybody can see it, I might say ese bolígrafo. Right? But if I'm talking about the pen, that pen at home in my desk where I can see it and nobody can see it, I may say aquel bolígrafo, right? So that's kind of the difference between the two. That'll help you visualize it. So this here, something you can't necessarily see, that, something you can see. Like I said, maybe not 100% correct, but it works. Now, as we know, sometimes we'll say, oh, that girl over there, right? But we may also say her or that one. Girl is a bad example because we don't usually refer to people as that. So that pen over there, or we may point at it and say that one. We don't necessarily say pen. We can do that in Spanish too. In that case, we would say este bolígrafo, or ese, lo siento, I'm making all kinds of mistakes today. Ese, I swear to you guys, I do know what I'm doing. Bolígrafo, that pen. But if we're pointing to it and we don't want to say pen, what we're going to do is just put an accent over the ese. Ese bolígrafo. And that's it. Ese means that one, right? So here's where the accents will go on all of these. Now I'm going to change my pen color so you get a clear view of this. Let's go with black. So if you're omitting the noun, it'll be esta, este, estas, estos, esa, ese, esas, esos, aquella, aquel, aquellas, aquellos. The accent is necessary if you're omitting the noun. And that's it for demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. Thanks for watching.